I don't have time for a business.
Okay, I actually personally love this one because it is so simple. Anytime somebody tells me that they don't have time, I completely relate to any situation that they're in. But I also ask them, how often do you get lost scrolling through TikTok videos or your Instagram reels or scrolling through Facebook? You know, I just put it in that perspective that all of that time that you have getting lost down the rabbit hole, you could be building your business and interactions. You can look at the screen time on your phone and see weekly what you're spending time on your phone. And that's building your business right there. Also, I always give them the comfortability about the fact that we can build our business anywhere we are. We can grow this as quick or as slow, as comfortable as we want it, and they can really understand that it's just something that they can grow and do anytime that they want.
Okay. Also, when we say you can work in the nooks and crannies of your day, I'm serious. But what happens a lot of times is you block your own blessings and you tell yourself you don't have nooks and crannies. So I'm going to demonstrate that because who in here is visual? I'm a little bit visual, so here's where we go. All right, this is your day, and this is your morning routine. Your dishes, your kids, your husband, the sports, the job, more things on your plate. There's some ice down there, but it's okay. All right, it's full. Your day is 100% full, right? Nothing else is going in that day. This is you working your business in the nooks and crannies. Yep. You have time. 5 minutes here, 5 minutes here, 5 minutes there. Look how much you can work your business. Guys, I'm telling you, do not limit yourself. Don't knock this table. Do not limit yourself to, I don't have 2 hours to work my business. 5 minutes. Guys, when I started this, I was super freaking busy. I literally would pray that clients would be late because I would message people and answer messages in the nooks and crannies of the day. I listened to Paul Gravett on corporate calls with a Bluetooth in my ear while I shampooed clients. Don't tell me you can't do this business.